Same to you, Faith. It's a gorgeous start to the day. Blue skies everywhere across the Magnolia State, but it is kind of humid out there, so keep that in mind. Yesterday, temperatures reaching the 70s in Greenwood and Greenville. No precipitation, no records broken, and lows in the mid-50s, so a pretty typical springtime day, and it's going to be the case again today. Now, high pressure located all to our south. That's going to keep us dry throughout the day. Temperatures already in the 60s across much of the southeast. Now, there is a stationary front across Texas that may spark a few showers in northern Louisiana, but that's all going to stay to our south today. And again, temperatures across the region warming up quickly, nearly 5 to 10 degrees in just the last hour. Already 64 in Clarksdale, 58 in Kosciuszko, 61 in Oxford, 62 in Greenville, and warm into southeastern Arkansas as well, where temperatures are ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s. Now, satellite radar looking calm, but again, a couple light showers just north of Alexandria into central and northern Louisiana. That should stay out of our area, and notice no cloud cover to worry about, so it's going to be a nice day across the Delta. Plenty of blue skies, but tomorrow we're tracking the potential for some more storms. And again, there's going to be warm, moist flow coming off the Gulf of Mexico, a storm developing over Oklahoma and the Red River Valley. This is going to track to the east, and it does look like it's going to track a little further north than the storm on Sunday, which will give us a higher potential for some of those stronger storms. And again, that warm front going to lift far enough north to really put that good, moist air across the Delta. We're also going to have some nice wind shear. When that comes together, oftentimes you get the chance for damaging winds, some hail, and maybe a few spin-up tornadoes. So tracking this out over the next 24 to 36 hours, again, nothing to worry about today. It's going to be gorgeous. So if you have time, go ahead and put that severe plan into place and know where to go in case a warning is issued for your area. But enjoy today. It's going to be nice. Get outside, take a nice walk outside. As we go into the overnight hours, relatively calm. A couple of showers develop tomorrow morning into northern Mississippi, mainly to our north. But the winds are really going to kick in to overdrive as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Gusts as high as 25 miles per hour, bringing in that warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico. Storms and showers begin to develop out to our west. That's going to push in our direction during the evening hours, so things will start to heat up. It'll be a calm start to the day tomorrow. As we go into Wednesday evening, that's when things really start to ramp up. And notice the model trying to pick up on a potential line. And anytime you have a structure like this, you can see damaging winds in excess of 60 to 70 miles per hour. And again, a couple weeks ago, we had damage across much of the Delta. So this is to be taken seriously. The threat not as low as we've had in the past, but still, it's there. And you need to take it seriously as we head into the night on Wednesday, because when the weather comes in, especially severe weather during the overnight hours, many of us may be sleeping. So be sure you have a way to receive those alerts and check the weather before you head to bed, because if there's warnings off to your west, oftentimes those will be traveling to the east, especially in this scenario. So just keep that in mind. A couple lingering showers Thursday morning, and then we're going to be in the clear. So this is a quickly moving system. The Storm Prediction Center went ahead and issued a level 2 out of 5 slight risk. This is the yellow areas, including our entire coverage area. Further to the north, the threat wanes just a bit with just a marginal risk, but again, this is a level 2 out of 5 risk. And with this threat comes the medium threat for high winds, hail, and flooding. Now, we could see 1 to 2 inches of rain very quickly. That may cause some issues in low-lying areas. The tornado threat, relatively low, but it's not zero. So we still have to keep a close eye on this threat throughout the overnight hours. And remember, if a warning is issued, especially a tornado warning, that's when you need to find your safe place. And if you need to find a way to receive alerts, here's a couple of good options. Of course, social media, Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram. Again, make sure it's a reliable source. This is a good app right here. I like to recommend it. The Tornado by American Red Cross. Midland Weather Radio, my favorite way. And again, these are about $30 at Kroger or your local pharmacy. You can turn those wireless emergency alerts on your phone. National Weather Service office in Jackson or Memphis, depending on where you live. And of course, here at the Delta News, I'll be providing updates as we go into tomorrow night. So again, just be aware of what may come tomorrow and enjoy today. But checking in on our river levels, the Yazoo going to come close to minor flood stage level this week, but we do have another chance of heavy rain, so it'll be interesting to see if this forecast sticks. But as of now, we're going to come pretty close to that minor flood stage level for the Mississippi River here in Greenville, currently at 50.4 feet. Looks to be falling very slowly into the weekend. And by the first week of May, it looks like we may be back below flood stage levels. Definitely good news there. Same for Arkansas City, current level at 38.5 feet, which is about 1.5 feet above flood stage level. Unfortunately, no rain to aggravate the local rivers today. Plenty of sunshine, highs of 78, afternoon warmth. It's going to be a little muggy out there. So again, keep that in mind. Grab you a bottle of water if you're going to be doing any exertion. Highs topping out at 79 in Greenwood, 77 in Cleveland, and 79 in Belzona. Tonight, mostly clear skies, not a whole lot to talk about. It's going to be a calm night. Temperatures tomorrow morning in the 50s for much of the location. And again, as we go into tomorrow, that chance for some severe storms, mostly cloudy. This is predominantly going to be after 6 p.m. So again, just keep that in mind. Keep the threat is coming, but fortunately, this is a quick moving system. By Thursday, we'll have a few lingering showers. So Faith, you know, we got another day of severe weather, but fortunately, after tomorrow, it looks like we're going to actually have a nice weekend for once.